In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to free space in Outlook without losing emails. If your Outlook mailbox is getting full, don't worry. There are a few simple things you can do to create more space while staying in control of the messages you actually need. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to clean out unnecessary emails and focus on the items that are taking up room in your mailbox. First, go ahead and open Outlook. Once Outlook is open, make sure you're in the Mail section. This is where you'll be able to view your inbox, deleted messages, junk mail, and other folders that may be using storage. A good place to start is the Deleted Items folder. Click on Deleted Items and review what's there. In many cases, emails sitting in this folder are still taking up space, even though you already removed them from your inbox. If you're sure you no longer need those messages, permanently delete them by emptying the folder. This can quickly free up a noticeable amount of mailbox space. After that, do the same thing with your junk email folder. Spam and unwanted messages can build up over time, and just like deleted items, they still count toward your storage until they're fully removed. If there's nothing important in junk email, go ahead and empty that folder as well. Next, return to your inbox and locate the specific message or messages you want to delete, especially the ones with large attachments or content that may be using more storage than usual. These types of emails often take up the most space, so removing even a few of them can make a difference. When you find one you no longer need, delete it. Keep in mind that when you delete something from your inbox, it usually goes to deleted items first. That means if you want the space back right away, you may need to empty deleted items again afterward. This is a helpful detail that many people miss. If you're still having problems with space after doing this, take another look through your inbox for additional large emails that are no longer necessary. Focusing on older messages, email chains, and files you've already saved elsewhere can help you clear even more room without losing the emails you still care about. That's it. By cleaning out deleted items, junk email, and large unnecessary messages from your inbox, you can free up Outlook space in a simple and effective way.